What's up guys, it's Israel. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I've got a brand new fantastic video for you. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can browse the internet for free, how you can connect to the internet without any single penny in your account balance. So first of all, you need to install this application called Siphon. It's free on Google Play Store, and I'll put the download link in the description so you can check it and download the application. After downloading it, open it. So after opening it, click on options, click on more options, click on connect through HTTP proxy. Use the following settings: host address. Wow, put this one, put this one, put this one. Right, great. On port, put this one. Right. After that, go back, click on disable timeouts for slow networks, and start. Wow. Wait for connection. As you can see guys, it's now connected. So that's all what you need. It's very simple. So if you like this video, if it works for you, please give thumbs up to my video and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Goodbye.